Hey everyone, Lexi here. Welcome back to part 2 of our recap weekend. February was extra special. It's when I first joined all the videos. Back then, we were still figuring out editing, cutting clips, and making everything just right. Whew, what a learning curve. Let's revisit those fun idioms together. Ready? Let's learn 5 cool phrases using numbers. Dressed to the nines. It means dressed very elegantly or stylishly. Example, she arrived dressed to the nines for the gala. 5-finger discount. It means stealing something. Example, he got caught trying for a 5-finger discount at the store. 10 out of 10. It means perfect score or excellent quality. Example, that presentation was 10 out of 10. Behind the 8 ball. It means in a difficult or disadvantaged position. Example, we are behind the 8 ball with this deadline. Take 5. It means take a short break. Example, let's take 5 before the meeting. Read between the lines. It means to understand the hidden or implied meaning. Example, he said he was fine, but reading between the lines, I knew he was upset. Strike a chord. It means to provoke an emotional response or feel relatable. Her story about failure struck a chord with everyone in the room. Lay bare. It means to reveal completely, without adornment or concealment. Example, the memoir lays bare the quiet struggles behind public triumph. On the cusp of. It means about to experience or achieve something. Example, she is on the cusp of a major breakthrough in her career. Plumb the depths. Means to explore something deeply and thoroughly. For example, the novel plumbs the depths of human emotion. It takes 2 to tango. It means both sides share responsibility. Example, don't blame only him, it takes 2 to tango. 2's company, 3's a crap. It means a third person can feel unnecessary. Example, I won't join you on your date. 2's company, 3's a crowd. Put in 1's 2 cents. Means give an opinion. Example, can I put in my 2 cents about the video idea? At 6's and 7's. It means confused or disorganized. Example, the studio was at 6's and 7's after the power cut. 6 feet under. It means dead and buried. Example, if you keep driving like that, you'll end up 6 feet under. Come rain or shine. Means, no matter what happens or what the weather is like. Example, I'll meet you at 5 p.m., come rain or shine. Get wind of something. It means, hear a rumor or secret news. Example, if they get wind of our party plans, it'll spoil the surprise. Take a rain check. It means, politely ask to do something later. Example, I can't join dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check? Steal someone's thunder. It means, take credit for or spoil someone else's idea or achievement. Example, she stole my thunder by announcing the project before I could. Throw caution to the wind. It means, take a big risk without worry. Example, he threw caution to the wind and quit his job to travel. 2 peas in a pod. It means 2 people or things that are extremely similar. Example, my sister and I are 2 peas in a pod. We love the same food and movies. 40 winks. Means, a short nap. I'm exhausted, I need 40 winks before editing. 1 for the road. Means, a last drink before leaving. It's late, let's have 1 for the road. At 1. It means, in harmony or agreement. After discussing the script changes, the team was finally at 1 about the video direction. In 7th heaven. Means, extremely happy. She was in 7th heaven when the video went viral. A storm in a teacup. It means a big fuss over something small and unimportant. Example, don't worry about their argument, it's just a storm in a teacup. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means even bad situations have something positive. Example, I lost my job, but every cloud has a silver lining. I found a better one. Chase rainbows. It means pursue unrealistic or impossible dreams. Example, stop chasing rainbows and focus on practical goals like studying. Calm before the storm. It means a quiet period right before trouble starts. Example, the office is calm before the storm of the big deadline. Save for a rainy day. It means keep money or resources for future emergencies. Example, put some cash aside for a rainy day. You never know. Pick up the slack. It means cover for someone else's lack of effort. Example, I'll pick up the slack while he's on vacation. All hands on deck. It means everyone must help urgently. Example, all hands on deck, we're short-staffed today. Think outside the box. It means be creative, innovative. Example, We need to think outside the box to solve this budget issue. Have a lot on your plate. It means very busy with tasks.
Sorry, I can't help. I have a lot on my plate right now.
Call it a day. It means stop working and go home. Example, it's 6 p.m., let's call it a day. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more. That's all for part 2, friends. February was such a special month for us, and we're so grateful you've been with us from the beginning. Don't miss part 3, where we'll look back at some fun idiom videos from March. See you soon!